Hi, and welcome to scikit-learn recipes. I'm the author. My name is Sahiba. I have over 4 years of experience working on machine learning projects across a diverse set of industries. I've worked on predictive analytics, anomaly detection, credit risk modeling, and recommendation engines. I'm a self taught data scientist, so I completely understand the roadblocks that can prevent you from really understanding how algorithms work and the methods that can make you a really great data scientist. In this course, we will be learning different methods to pre process data and then build models in scikit-learn. Section 1, we will start with data pre-processing techniques. We will be implementing thresholding to create binary features, inputting missing values, build a linear regression with outliers, and then put them all together with sklearn pipelines. In Section 2, we will be going over dimensionality reduction techniques. We will be going over principal components analysis, DSNE dimensionality reduction, decomposition with factor analysis, and then kernel PCA. Section 3, we'll be building linear and logistic regression models and then evaluating their performance. Then Section 4, we'll be building support vector machines models and then optimizing the model performance. And Section 5 will be decision tree algorithms and ensembles, and this will include random forests, KNN model with the bagging, gradient boosting trees, and decision tree classification. Then Section 6, we will be clustering with scikit-learn, and we will be building k-means clustering model and Gaussian mixture model for variable clustering, and then cross-validation in Section 7, where we will be going over feature selection methods and k-fold cross-validation, shuffle split, time series cross-validation, regularization norms, and then grid search. And then finally, in Section 8, we will be learning neural networks. We'll be building a perceptron classifier in scikit-learn and then a multi-layer perceptron. Then we'll be also building an ensemble model using scikit-learn stacking. This is a pretty quick introductory course on scikit-learn, and I hope you all enjoy it.